Diet who?
no!
Teka lang, family time muna kami today dito sa Food Club Fisher Mall, Quezon City. Perfect place to for families na gusto ng sulit at masayang kainan. Ilang beses na talaga kami pabalik-balik sa Food Club. This is honestly our go-to place for family lunch or dinner and even special occasions. I really love the ambience here. Elegant, relaxing, at very comfortable. Kaya ang sarap magstay and mag-bond. Bukod dyan, Food Club offers a wide variety of dishes from Filipino, Japanese, Chinese, at hanggang Western favorites. Isang ikot pa lang, ang dami mo na talaga mapipili. Their dim sums are a must-try. Freshly cooked, warm, and super satisfying. And this is my favorite, yung tempura nila. Grabe, it's so crispy, light, at hindi oily ha. Honestly, ito talaga yung lagi kong pinabalikan. Sobrang daming food selections, iba't ibang viands, noodles, drinks, and even comfort food for every craving. Isa pa sa pinakasinusulat ko dito ay yung fresh fruits nila. Perfect din to pang balance after a heavy meal. Matamis siya at madaming pagpipilian. At ito naman yung binabalik-balikan ng mga kids namin, yung desserts and yung candy corner nila. By the way, kids may eat for free or at a discounted price depende sa height kaya super family friendly rin talaga. May mga promos din sila like senior and PWD discount, student discount, graduation promo, at birthday promo. Kaya mas sulit talaga. Kaya kung naghanap kayo ng place for celebrations or simple family meals, this is the place to be. Busog ka na, relax ka pa. Kaya tara na sa Food Club.